This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the family organizer and a valid payment method. This is required so purchases can be billed centrally. Once done, open Settings on the organizer device, tap Family Sharing, and enable Purchase Sharing. Make sure each family member is signed into iCloud and the App Store with their own Apple ID. Without that, you cannot share purchases. Also decide now whether to use Ask to Buy for children. It affects how in-app purchases are approved and why purchases may appear blocked. Next, configure the controls that govern how purchases flow. In family sharing, set Ask to Buy for child accounts so you approve in-app purchases. This prevents unwanted charges. Make sure subscriptions and eligible in-app purchases are allowed to be shared. Some apps opt out, so check the app's sharing policy. Also update every device to the latest iOS or Mac OS because mismatched OS versions can block sharing features. Finally, review hidden purchases and unhide apps if a family member can't see something they should. To finish, perform a test. Have a family member download a shared app or make a small in-app purchase and confirm the organizer's payment method is charged. Once done, check the organizer's purchase history and the member's App Store purchases for visibility. If something goes wrong, first sign out and back into iCloud on the affected device, confirm all accounts use the same country/region, then remove and re-invite the member. This often resolves sharing glitches. If problems remain, contact Apple support for account-level fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.